Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can set up your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, and we will go through the initial setup and the first steps together. So click on that arrow here to get started, and then we can select our language, and now we can go ahead and choose our region. We are in Germany, so we'll choose that, and then we come to terms and conditions. User agreement, you have more information about that if you click on that. Privacy policy, also more information about that. And then we have some more information here. Before using MUI, you must read and agree to our user agreement and privacy policy. We will protect your personal information in accordance with the relevant laws, regulations, and privacy policies. When your device is activated, the following services will be connected to the network and access your location: Xiaomi service, framework, SIM activation service, and then all of these other services here. So you can check the thread and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, otherwise you can't continue with setting up this phone. So checking for SIM card, we have a separate video for that, so we say skip this part, and now we can connect to a network. So we will choose our network here now, and then we have to put in our password, and now we can go further, getting our phone ready. This may take a few minutes. And now we come to the next part: copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. And if you click on next, the phone will guide you through the next steps, so like getting a cable, connecting, and whatever else. We'll say don't copy, as it is just nice to start fresh sometimes without any old data. Now it's checking info again, and now we can sign into our Google account. We need that one to like fully use the Google services, Play Store and stuff. So if you don't have one, you can create an account here. You can also skip that part, but we will sign into our Google account now. Then we say next, and then we can type in our password, and then we say next. We publish the Google Terms of Service, so that you know what to expect as you use our services. By clicking I agree, you agree to these terms. You're also agreeing to the Google Play Terms of Service to enable discovery and management of apps. And remember, the Google privacy policy describes how Google handles information generated as you use Google services. You can always visit your Google account to take a privacy checkup or to adjust your privacy controls. So if you click on the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy, you'll get more information, and then you can say don't add this account now, or I agree. So we'll say I agree, getting your account info. And now we have Google services, so use basic device backup, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, all of that. And you can go ahead and enable or disable these. When you turn off the use location, the allow scanning will be turned off automatically with it. So this can only be on if you have your use location on. Then we can turn these on or off, and then say accept. And now we can choose our search engine. The search engine that you choose will be set as default in a search box on your home screen and in Chrome. The app will be installed from Play. You can install other search apps and reconfigure your home screen and Chrome at any time. So if you click on these little arrows, you have a bit more information about each search engine here, and then you can click on the one you want and then say next. Now we can set up a screen lock. We also have a separate video for that, so we say skip. And now we can choose to continue our setup, keep going to get your device fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. Leave and get a reminder, we're pretty much set up. And now we have some more basic settings. Location here, that's useful. Send usage and diagnostic data, automatic system updates, personalized ads, user experience program, and stuff like that. So you can read through more information when you click on the things here, and then you can go further. Set up your lock screen. Wallpaper carousel will show you fresh stories every time you unlock your device. We want to skip this one, and then we can select a default launcher, so the classic one or an app drawer, whatever you like here. We will go ahead. Preparing system, setup complete, you're ready to rock. Alright, so now we are on our home screen, and this is what it looks like. This is the initial setup of the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.